Hey TPG Tech Squad, and welcome to another TPG Tech Showcase. And this time around, I kind of want to start off the video with some big appreciation for the support you guys have shown on the past few videos. I do kind of apologize that I was absent for a little bit though. I've been pretty busy prepping for my next college semester and straightening out some of my other projects that I do have planned for you guys. But I'm fairly confident that we are good to go. The support and feedback you guys have given out have really helped out the direction of this channel's content tremendously and is keeping the videos rolling on out on your favorite topics. So do not hesitate to leave your feedback in the comment section, and also by liking, subscribing on the videos as well. It's a bonus. Alright, now let's get started with this showcase. Today's showcase will be covering a computer from our guys over at eBay, the HP DK 1022WM 14-inch laptop. This laptop in particular came quite a few weeks ago, looking kind of despondent, I'm not gonna lie. But after replacing the LCD and the hinge covering, it's practically as good as new, and one of the best machines that I currently have at the moment, boasting a Ryzen 3 3250U dual-core 2.6 GHz CPU with Vega Graphics 3 integrated, which includes the good old Radeon software adjustments, 4 GB of DDR4 2400 RAM, a 128 GB M.2 SATA Standard 3.0 drive, running Windows 10 21H1. Now, the reason why I have not, and I don't recommend you doing it if you do purchase this laptop, run Windows 10, just yet, is because, if you don't know, it's still pretty buggy and has a lot of support issues, and with AMD hardware. If you haven't noticed the trend, a lot of things just tend to not like AMD hardware for some odd reason. I don't know. And I've also started doing something pretty new, and it's just more of a time-saving measure that I was recommended to, and it's way more compelling for this particular format, which is to run a general PC benchmark instead of running my many individual tests, which is very time-consuming and difficult to capture. So I'll be using, for this one, user benchmark from now on, and here are the results for this particular machine. The convenient part about the benchmark is that it runs all the tests that I would run individually, for example, the sequential read-write speeds for the hard drive and the CPU performance test, and compares them with the previous test that is saved on the database for this particular software, which gives you a general idea if there's any defects with this, the parts of the computer. And our HP is performing optimally. It doesn't have any issues at all. And the only thing that I'm pretty regretful about this particular job is that I didn't have the time to capture me actually repairing it, and that kind of sucks. But the only thing that was special that really happened was the LCD replacement. It is mounted by double-sided tape, which, if you didn't watch our Lenovo video, it is essentially the same as that. And it also has a slight bend on the palm rest that I couldn't quite straighten out all the way, so the AC port is slightly out of place, but that's not really a major issue at all. Closing this one on out, I really like this HP. Just like the HP Pavilion that I covered a while back, all I have to say about it is almost the same that I had to say about that one though, but it's in a 14-inch package and has arguably better specifications, and is just a great work laptop that can handle just about any non-GPU intensive program that you can usually throw at these, which is true for most laptops, and is expected for this particular price range. This HP will be available on all of our stores on Facebook, Mercari, and eBay through the links in the description below. So don't miss out on picking up this awesome computer for yourself. And with that out of the way, it's time for me to close out. That's all for me today. Catch you in the next one, squad. Peace out. Hey, glad to see you made it to the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. TPG out.